Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to install or activate or watch Disney Plus on Sony PS4 or 5, then this video is for you. Here is the installation process. So on PlayStation 4, find the Disney Plus app on the PlayStation Store. On the PlayStation 5, find the Disney Plus app via media, or then go to all apps, then you can find the Disney Plus application. Then install the Disney Plus app on PS4. Like on PlayStation 4, find the Disney Plus app in the PlayStation Store, and then locate the Disney Plus app and proceed to install it on your console. Then activate and log into your Disney Plus account on PS4. So now proceed the media section on your PS4's home screen. Locate and launch your Disney Plus app. If you already have an account, select log in. If you don't have an account, just sign up and complete the account creation process. So that's how you can just do it. And if you want to watch this content here, then you can watch the content in 4K Ultra HD, HDR10, and the full HD content. So you have to open the Disney Plus app on your PS4 and log in. To quickly find HD or HDR content, hit to the 4K Ultra HD HDR collection on the home page, or use the Ultra HD and HDR filter on the movies and series pages. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.